absolutely a surprise. The way it was a surprise is that my credit has always been stellar up to the last 3 years. In the last 3 years, I ran all my credit cards up to the limit. And actually what Gabriel told me, what Mr. Brown told me, was another process that I could do, which is quicker and easier, and is going to lead to the solution to me paying off all my debts so much faster than I had imagined possible. And I think the thing that really impressed me was his integrity in just telling me the solution up front.